Hey guys, welcome to Stoner Rock Barbecue's YouTube channel. Thanks for checking us out. We are Stoner Rock Barbecue. We are purveyors of all natural craft spices and rubs. And today we're going to show you how to use one of our rubs, our Bootlicker Sicilian style rub, in a killer sausage and peppers recipe. So not only is this dish simple, but it's also insanely delicious. And when you serve it family style, it's got a really cool rustic charm to it that's sure to please your family and friends. The recipe starts with taking fresh, spicy Italian sausage and cutting it into a little bit bigger than bite-sized pieces. You could use mild Italian sausage if you like. We're using spicy here today. Normally, we would start by grilling the sausage, but since we're in a commercial kitchen, we're going to brown them in an oven-proof skillet with a little olive oil. Since we'll also be braising these, we're not concerned about internal temp at this point. We're just looking for a nice char on the sausage. Once the links are browned on all sides, we're going to remove them from the pan, retaining the oil in the pan. For the peppers, we're going to slice red, yellow, green, and orange sweet peppers into thin strips and add them to the hot pan with a little more olive oil. The peppers get heavily seasoned with our Bootlicker Sicilian Rub. We're going to let the peppers saute only for 3 to 4 minutes, scraping up any brown bits from the sausage. We're going to cook these until the peppers start getting a little soft, but not mushy. Again, there's going to be a braising stage where they will cook down even more. Now we can add the brown sausage to the pan and pour a 1/4 cup each of dry white wine and chicken stock, as well as a little more Bootlicker. Give it a quick stir, then pop the pan into a 325-degree oven for 35 to 45 minutes to allow the sausage to cook through and the peppers to soften even more. We finish the dish off with freshly torn basil leaves and some nice crusty garlic bread. This is a perfect dish to serve on its own or make it a full-blown Italian-style feast by serving it alongside a pasta dish. To order our spices and check out our recipes, visit stonerrockbarbecue.com.